Hello everyone, this is Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SMS College of Engineering. So today, in the last video, we have discussed the logical operation using 8086. 8086 is nothing but the microprocessor. Already I have discussed in the last class, and we have seen the logical operation. What are the logical operation? And, or, not, XOR. These are all the logical operation. I have explained the and, or, and today in this now I'm going to explain the XOR gate and NOR gate, and also in the last class I gave some introduction about the arithmetical operation, so that I am going to explain one by one. Okay. So first of all, we have completed up to this. You know very well what is a move. It is a type of instruction which is given to the microprocessor, right? So the AX A, B, C, D, these are denotes the registers, and the X denotes the 16-bit data. If you want to denote 16-bit data, you have to mention AX, B, etc. Right? So move A, 0 and len. Then we are going to start about the XOR operation. First of all, we are going to take the two value. You know very well the XOR operation will perform two operations, two inputs. So one is any value you can keep it in 1200, 1002, because these are all the data in one program. So first of all, I am going to take it to one value. I am going to shift it over to move over to the AX, and then I am taking to the second value and shifted over to the VX. So that what the value here, X now AX comma VX. So the first value and second value are shifted to this AX and VX. Then now what we are going to do? Now it performs the X operation. Then what will happen? The output is stored in the AX. AX is nothing but the accumulator. Accumulator is used to store all the operations. So what will be the value in the AX means it will be have the result of XOR. So the XOR value will already transfer to the 3041. So this is my address. So output, if I want to see the output, I have to go for 1304 and I have to see the output. Then I am going to give for the next NOT gate. The NOT gate is nothing but it have only one input. So move AX comma CX. So that is the value given here. Now I am going to take the NOT value, one value. So this CX is nothing but the register. That value is going to transfer. That is moved to the AX. AX is an accumulator. So the AX have only one value, maybe 1 or 0. So the NOT will perform 1 or 0. So if I have 1 means it will perform 0. If I have 0 means it will perform 1. So what will happen? The output will be stored in this AX accumulator. That value is moved to the 1306H, and finally we are holding to the halt. So this is the logical operation using 8086. This is a very important program. This is also very easy. It can perform easily. Then now we are going for the addition. This is called as the arithmetical operation of 8086. First of all, I am taking the basic instruction move, and already you know AX is nothing but the 16-bit register. So first of all, here I am directly taking the value. Okay, here we have given the address, but here we are giving directly the value. Okay, so what is the meaning is the 05 should be move over to the AX, and this 03 is move over to the BX. So what will happen? What is the value of the AX is 5. What is the value of BX is 3. So now what will happen? That it will add AX and BX. So if you add AX BX, what will happen? 5 plus 3, it will be 8. Okay. So the 8 will be stored in the AX because the AX is an accumulator. Okay. The 8 will be stored in this accumulator. That value is going to move it over 1200 because we are going to see the output in 1200, and then finally we are going to halt it. Right. Then this is for addition. And then next one is the subtraction. The same same thing is going to happen. First of all, we have to give the value data. So the same data I am going to give you. I am going to give directly the data 5. So that is move over to the AX, and the 3 that is move over to the BX. Okay. What will happen? The AX have a 5 value, and the AX they have a BX value. So thing is you don't want to give the same value, you can give whatever the value. If we here have one problem, if it is up to 9 means it don't have any problem. When in the case of 5 means it will have a carry. In addition we will have a carry, and here it will have borrow. Okay. Now I have taken only the simple program. I am not taking the carry, borrow and all. I have taken the simply 5 plus 3 that value. Okay. So what will happen? This 5 will go to the AX and 3 will go to the BX. What will happen? Thus it will subtract the value BX minus AX minus BX. So what is the value? 05 minus 03, it will be 02. The 02 will be stored in the AX and it will to move to the 1200. We can see the output in 1200. So these are the program for addition and subtraction and XOR gate and NOT gate. In the next video we can see about the multiplication and what are the instructions, right? What are the instructions we can see in the next video. Thank you for watching.